now. I don't know what's worse, multi-type or Samoa type. Like, you know. Somebody. Well, let me just say, after watching AUT, I thought, you know what, they might as well just keep the truth. But after seeing this performance, oh, it's a bit hard now, eh? So, awesome stuff, Victoria and AUT. There you go. State your name and your village, my friend.
Hey guys, my name is Keith Fee from Suffolk.
Hey, tu ça va? Alright, and well, to you. Yeah, your name and your village.
Moi gosto de conhecer só o Nick Murphy.
Hey, your hands go away where you came from. And what's your name, bro? You might as well. And your name and your village.
My name's Daniel and I'm from Samoa.
Very nice. Alright, this is which day you want to use. Alright, awesome performance, it was great stuff. And knowing that you'd gone through, rough time with the passing of Telu and of course another one of your sisters, how hard was it to kind of channel all that emotion when performing tonight? I know you did a touching tribute to the sister, and so what was going through your mind now to channel all that emotion to come up with this really touching performance?
The Victoria of University Samoan Student Association, to us, we're not just an association. We create an environment where we become family, and we have a saying that once you're in Busa, you're always in Busa, and Mona Lisa Al-Faithful was a past member, and so as well as Tim, and so we, of course, we were going to honor our sister tonight on stage. There was no question. And we did what we came to do, and this was in memory of our sister, Mona Lisa Al-Faithful, who passed away sadly this year. So this is in her memory, and this is why we do what we do, because we love Busa, we love our family, and who we are as